2023. COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're going to be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok, so stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, so we got Pattaya Beach right there. So we're gonna go across. So Pattaya Beach, world famous. It's about 12 noon, so the weather is not ideal. I mean, the weather is ideal, but I mean the beach attendance isn't ideal. I think it's also off season a little bit as well. I'd like to go onto the beach a little bit, but probably will in a second. We can right here. Hello. Got all the pigeons. So now we're on the beach. Not so many people right now. It's the hottest part of the day, so there's Pattaya right there. I guess we're gonna go back in. Hello. Okay, so you can get lots of drinks and you can get lots of shade as well. And yeah, so he was telling me to sit down here, so you can actually get seats as well. So you have to pay. They're bargaining some tourist stuff. The guy's tourist is like, you take me too. Okay. Got some menus as well. Pad Thai. Okay, so we're just gonna cruise along. Kind of give you a little taste of it anyways. Let's see, today is a Saturday. It's a nice day to relax for sure. Next I can actually see how you might want to sit here and eat Pad Thai. You can face it either direction, hang out all day. Okay, there's some gems. Earlier I was at Canterbury, so it's kind of interesting to see how prevalent gems are everywhere. And now you can see the Pattaya sign and the kind of mountains in the background as well. Okay, so maybe we'll just come to an ending right here. So that's Pattaya Beach, and then walking street is that way. Many people film that all the time. Lots of boats out there. Lots of seats over here. And we'll just come to an ending. Pattaya Beach. There it is. Okay, so right here is JOMTIEN Beach. JOMTIEN. So I think what I'll do is I'll just kind of go down and maybe kind of do a little bit of a quick comparison with the other beach that I just did recently, which was Pattaya. But similar to the other one, you can just walk down. There's lots of shops, stores, 7-Elevens, bars, restaurants. And actually the sand is better here. It's a lot softer. And we are going to go all the way down to here, and then we'll kind of flip the camera different directions. So it looks nice. Actually, it looks it's more, the sand just seems softer than the Pattaya side. And then this goes, there's a big peninsula way out there, lots of ships. Ooh, sheesh. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do just kind of walk down a little bit and give you a little taste. But yeah, basically you can see that it looks a lot like the Pattaya, but it is better. I can feel that it's better. And you can also rent places up here as well. And then you can stay in the shade, look out over everything. So I guess we'll come back up. We'll do a 360 in a moment. That's a nice shade right there. So it'll probably be a little short video, but at least you kind of get an idea. Then you have all these right here as well. And all those. And you can sit in here and just kind of relax all day long. It's nice. And when you're here, they'll basically bring you everything that you need. Even foods, toys, whatever it is. Get coconuts. Yeah, actually I can. And you got all this nice shade too, with these trees and the shade umbrellas. It's pretty ideal. So this is JOMTIEN. It's quite similar to the Pattaya beach, but the sands are a little nicer. And it's a little bit more quieter. Huh, my friend was just telling me about this since Wombat Kiwi Bar. So maybe we will kind of pop up here in this little blue steps. Then yeah, we got 7-Eleven right there. Got some condos in the distance. So yeah, we basically have this whole little stretch of all these businesses everywhere. And some side streets as well. So we're gonna head back into the thing in a minute. Those side streets go all the way down as well. Okay. So that's a little taste of JOMTIEN. Nice walkable. Probably goes down at least maybe a couple kilometers, I guess, maybe 3. Some nice venues, some great shade too. So you got all these trees, plus you got the umbrellas. So JOMTIEN, kind of like Pattaya, but you can make an argument that it's even better. Should we interview somebody? Sir, can we interview you?
No problem.
How long have you been here in Pattaya?
I've been here 20 years.
And how can you compare JOMTIEN with Pattaya Beach?
I would say that JOMTIEN is like Pattaya Beach light. Well, if you don't want to be around too much of the sin that's created up there, you want to come down here. It's not as crazy. You know,
Less sinfully.
Less sinful. And
like
the beach, I think the beach is actually just nicer. I think it's longer too, maybe. So yeah, if the Pattaya area is too crazy for you, come on down here. You still have bars and restaurants and all that stuff, and a beautiful beach, especially now during the low season. It's a good time to come.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Do you have any other recommendations where we should go next? Past
After here, possibly just south of here, just south of Pattaya, there's another beach area. I forget the name of the name of the place right now, but that's pretty nice too. So it's JOMTIEN light, if you will. So yeah, about 10 kilometers south. So lots to explore.
All right, thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
And we'll conclude with JOMTIEN right there. Okay, so we just kind of moved down to a different location, and this one we can see more of the expansiveness. There's a volleyball right there, and there's definitely more of those under the trees. So I guess they put the umbrellas underneath the trees, and then on the other parts you just kind of have this big massive sand area where they get to do volleyball and just kind of enjoy the beach activities. We got some Amazon cafe, coffee shops, all kinds of stuff. All right. Hey, we have that one guy again.
Are you following me, man? Are you following me? Come on.
All right.
See that island out there?
Yep.
You can take a boat out there. Beautiful. Beautiful island out there.
Would be kind of cool.
Yeah. Very nice out here.
Oh, so that's another little touch of JOMTIEN. Do a little 360. So I got a little bit more of a side of what it's like these other locations as well. And that's another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them.
Toma cuidado la voz